Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to cook restaurant-style chicken tikka dansak without the need for base gravy. A fantastic hot, sweet and sour curry made with meat, lentils, chilli and sugar. As always, the full recipe is in the description below. Before I begin, please consider subscribing, hit that like button and the notification bell. Thanks. To begin, heat the oil, methi and onions on a low to medium heat. Allow to soften and begin to brown for around 5 minutes. Add in the garlic and ginger paste. Stir through and allow to cook for around 30 seconds for the strong smell to disappear. Add in the watered down tomato paste. Stir through and allow to cook out for around a minute to reduce the bitterness. Just so you know, you don't have to water the puree down, but it makes it tons easier to mix in at this stage. With the heat now on medium, add in the mix powder, coriander powder, salt, chili powder, cumin powder, turmeric powder and sugar. To keep things moving, add a little water if required and stir through well. Allow it to cook for a few minutes and until the oil starts to separate. Take your time here. If you ever have gritty or grainy curries, it's most likely you are not cooking out the spices enough at this stage. Time now for the pre-cooked lentils, so add them in as well as the lemon juice and mix gently to combine. For ease, I'll leave a link to my pre-cooked dal recipe in the description below, as I make a batch and freeze in portions for use later. If you really want to make it all in one go without pre-cooking the lentils, simply rinse them well and add 40 grams of split red lentils and an extra 250 millilitres of boiling hot water now instead. Pour in the heated water, combine well and allow it to reduce by half. Add in your choice of protein and a fresh chopped coriander. Stir through to coat evenly. Gently stir and allow to reduce until the sauce reduces and thickens. Serve sprinkled with some fresh coriander and a slice of lemon. Please remember to subscribe, comment and hit that like button, and find this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.